Many Nigerians never complete their travel plans to the Europe because they don't fully understand the process, and in today's video, I'm going to break it down step by step so you can travel to the Europe without making mistakes. Hi there, my name is Becca from Tbils Travels, your trusted partner for travel and visa success. In today's guide, you will learn Europe visa requirements, step-by-step application process, travel cost, and the best time to book flight tickets. So let's get right into the business of today. Do Nigerians need a visa? Yes, Nigerians need a Schengen visa to visit most European countries. What is a Schengen visa? It allows you to travel across multiple European countries with just one visa. So now examples of European countries include Belgium, France, Netherlands, and many more. And the duration is you can stay up to 90 days within 180 days. And the pro tip here is that you should apply through a country that you spend most of the time. Now let's talk about the Schengen visa requirement. To avoid rejections, you must get your document right. Now let's talk about the core document, which is your valid international passport, your passport photograph, your travel itinerary, your travel insurance, your proof of accommodation, proof of funds, and also your complete visa application form. And supporting documents are employment letter, leave letter, cover letter, invitation letter. These documents prove your purpose and shows that you return to Nigeria. Here is how to apply. Choose your destination, book a visa appointment, prepare your documents, attend biometrics, and wait for decisions. Processing usually takes 2 to 6 weeks. Apply early to avoid delays or missed travel date. Now let's talk about the travel cost. Your visa fee should cost about 120,000 naira to 200,000 naira. Your accommodation will be like from 40,000 naira to 200,000 naira per night. Your travel insurance may be from 30,000 naira to 100,000 naira. And flight should be around 800,000 naira to about 2.2 million naira. Note that your total cost depends on your destination and your travel style. When traveling, timing matters. So now the cheapest months to travel are January, February, November, and peak seasons like summer, which is between July to August, and December holidays. Now the quick insight is winter is always cheaper but colder, while summer is more expensive but lively. How to avoid the Europe visa rejection? Number 1, provide accurate information, submit complete documents, show strong ties to Nigeria, and avoid inconsistency. Your visa application should tell a clear and honest story. Traveling to the Europe from Nigeria is absolutely achievable if you understand the requirements, prepare your document correctly, and plan ahead. Ready to start your Europe journey? You can visit tbils.com to find cheap and affordable flights from Nigeria to anywhere in the world. And if you need assistance with your visa, you can reach out to travel.tbils.com for visa assistance. And if you find this video helpful, like, share, comment, subscribe so you get notified when we drop our next video. My name is Becca from Tbils Travels. Bye-bye!